Yeah, I'm at Family Dollar, and I just found what are you at? Some Slinkies. I'm trying to look for Fidget all the time, but all I found is Slinkies in here. So I'm gonna keep you stay tuned if I find some gloves or something. So bye. I found these, but these are not really the Fidget. I consider them one. I think they're ones, but they're not. But stay tuned. Find the else, but make sure you stay tuned. And I'm not chopping up fingers with the skits. I'm gonna start doing skits. I'm gonna do dances, and I'm gonna do Fidget like trading stuff. Cause I be seeing everybody on my For You page doing it. But y'all stay tuned for part 2. Bye.